I have a bad news for us. Yeah, Indonesia now is become the second largest contributor oceans after China. Yeah.
It's only for plastic or?
Yeah, plastic
only for
waste.
plastic
Yeah,
waste.
plastic waste.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our podcast Dialektika Hukum. Come back with me, Reski Hadianti Fadilah. And today in this session of discussion, we will try to deliver something different. We will use English. And today discussion, we will try to discuss and talk about the environmental issues, specifically the protecting of the marine environment from the marine debris. As we know that for a simple thing that marine, beach, and sea, ocean is the favorite destination for us to go to holiday. And I believe that all of you love the beach so much, like I do. And I also bet that at least all of you, at least one in a lifetime, already got to the beach. And then, as we know that Indonesia and also the archipelagic state, and then Indonesia is also the largest ocean nation. So I think that we really have to protecting our marine. And then beside that, there is something bigger than that. There are millions of species living under the sea, living under our sea, in Indonesian sea, and the global sea. And I think we really have to protect it. And the question is, are we already saved the ocean, save the sea, save the beach from everything that might be risking them and then dangerous for them, for the ocean, for the species, and for the human itself? Already come to our podcast, Miss Ariska Ginalita Dwi Putri. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. Hello, Rizky.
Hello, Miss. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. It's really nice to hear.
Yeah, actually this is my second time with
Yes.
Dictum. Yeah.
Yes, you were here in episode 1.
Yeah.
last time.
You know, I'm come back.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yes.
Okay, before we start this discussion, I also want to know what's your idea why the ocean is very important.
Yeah. That's a good question, yeah, Reski. Why ocean is very important? As we know that ocean is important for human. Yeah, ocean is a home for the fishes. Yeah, and also is the source of protein. Yeah, and also it's regulate our climate. Yeah, yeah, and also is provide oxygen also that we breathe. So that's why we have to keep our ocean.
Protecting.
Yeah, to protect our ocean.
That's why it's very important.
Yeah.
Okay. I also want to know why you choose to concern about the environmental issue, especially in marine environment, and what do you see about the marine environment issue this day?
Okay, Reski, before I answer your questions, I want to talk about our wealth country, yeah, Indonesia.
Okay.
Indonesia is the largest archipelagic state, yeah, and also it is the second most biologically diverse, yeah, in the world. And Indonesia consists of more than 18 islands, yeah. So Indonesia is blessed with so many and diverse human, I mean natural resources.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, and also, but I have a bad news for us. Yeah, Indonesia now is become the second largest contributor oceans after China. Yeah.
It's only for plastic or?
Yeah, plastic
only for
waste.
plastic
Yeah,
waste.
plastic waste. Yeah. So I think this is a problem for us. Plastic is very dangerous to our health, to the ecosystem also. Yeah. If the situation still like this, the scientists say that there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish by 2050. Yeah, so we have to do something about this. Yeah, this is a problem, and this is not only Indonesia problem, but also it is a global problem.
Alright, so from data that I read that in 2019, it said that plastic dominating
Yes.
like about 60 to 80%,
Yes.
contributing and donating plastic to the ocean, and it become the biggest marine polluting and marine environment issues.
Yes.
It's a really big
Yes.
thing. Alright, so for the next question, I also want to know, where does exactly this marine debris come from?
Yeah, actually there are four main sources of marine pollution. Yeah, first pollution from land-based sources. Yeah, and second from vessel pollutions and ocean dumping. Yeah, and also the activity of the human in the oceans, like shipping or something like that.
And also, why marine debris is such a problem, and what its impact to us, to all of us, and to the world?
Okay, nowadays pollutions are not environmentally problems that have national aspect, but also it is have international aspect. It is like I said before, it is a global issue, yeah? And marine scientists have found the negative impact of the marine pollutions to the sea life, to the ecosystem, to the and 3/4 of all marine pollutions is a plastic.
Yeah.
Something like that.
From those three factors, what do you think, which one the biggest one problem?
Okay, land-based sources. Yeah, land-based sources is the biggest contributor of marine pollutant. Yeah, is responsible for 80% of all pollutant at the sea. Yeah? So, in general, the activity in land or land-based sources that can bring pollutants such as deforestation, yeah, disposal of industrial waste, and then sea waste disposal of agriculture, solid waste, mangrove and swamp conservation, yeah, and so
many things.
Yeah.
It's a really huge problem, right?
Yeah, yeah, land-based sources is the biggest contributor, yeah.
Okay. For the last question, I want to know how to take action against this marine debris, this environmental issue about the marine.
Okay, Reski, yeah. Actually, there are several steps, yeah, that we can do to prevent marine pollution, yeah. Such as we can organize beach cleanup, yeah, and also we reduce the rubbish, yeah, because it is wise if we can reduce the rubbish, yeah, and we make sure that only rain, yeah, goes to the stream or to the ocean, and the last we have to make sure that our local stream is clean.
Okay, I agree. Only rain that can goes to the ocean. I
Yeah.
agree with that. I highlight that.
To the stream, yeah.
Yeah,
Only
and-
rain goes to the
Ocean.
Stream and ocean.
Yeah, I agree with that. Okay, so probably that's what we discussed today. If you have something to ask, please commenting here. And before we close this podcast, I want you guys know that environmental issue is very important for us. Specifically, if we talk in this discussion is about marine environment, it's very, very dangerous if we know that there are a lot of marine debris under the sea. And for a single step, I think all we can do is do a simple thing first, like not use a plastic anymore, not using a single
Yes.
plastic anymore, and then not using the single bottle anymore. We can use another eco bottles, like probably reusable tumbler,
Yeah, tumbler. Yeah.
and something like that. And no trash bag. We move from trash bag. Yeah, it's been too old if we use trash bag,
Yeah.
right now. Okay, I hope you also keep the beach clean. If you love the beach, if you love the sea, if you always want the beach be the best destination, be one of the best destination for you to go in holiday with your family, with your relatives, and with your friends. Keep the beach clean, and don't ever try to
To throw. Yeah.
contaminating the beach.
Yeah.
Okay, and then so that's our podcast. And for the last one, just remember that if we are keeping and protecting the sea, the beach is not only for us, it's also for the species under the sea, and it's also for the next generation, for our children, because our children will bear the burden of the greatest impact of the habits that we do right now. So a good single step is very important. Okay, so do you have any idea to deliver to all the viewers?
Yeah, something like this, Reski. So many people have gone to the beach and enjoy the marine environment, but unfortunately, most of the people throw trash everywhere. Yeah, and especially plastic material, and such as plastic bottle and plastic bag. Yeah, and yeah, so many plastic material, yeah, we throw everywhere to the beach. So we have to stop it. Yeah,
Yes.
we have to stop it and have to change the habit. Yeah, to have to change our habit. Yeah, so now we reduce the use of plastic material. Yeah,
Okay, keep the ocean clean and keep not only the ocean,
Yes.
everything like
river.
river, everything. Okay, so that's our discussion for this podcast. Thank you for watching. If you have something to ask, please commenting here. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.